question is this then: can an overweight, middle-aged man who's eaten too much and drunk too much over Christmas really manage a 10-mile coastal bike ride over the rolling Dorset hills? I guess the other question is, do I now look like a Teletubby with this thing sticking out the top of my head? Well, yes, I do know I look like a Teletubby. Thanks for pointing it out. Very kind. As for the other question, I don't know yet.
The first mile or so of this route is through the towny bit of Weymouth and not the most inspiring, so I'll skip that bit and show you a map of the route instead.
Okay, so I'm now at turning for Langton Herring, which means I can leave the busy road. What do you do? Many of the people that know me will actually be surprised to see me wearing a helmet. I've always said you don't need them on a bike. I rarely get over 15 miles an hour when I'm riding, and back in whatever year it was, Roger Bannister broke the 4-minute mile. If you do the math, it would have averaged 15 miles an hour to do that. So until every middle distance runner and sprinter is wearing helmets, I kind of didn't accept the need for it. Until the other week, when I saw a bicycle plough headlong into a bus. It quite shook me up because I was driving that bus at the time. It's okay, I hadn't stole it, I'm a bus driver. I managed to stop the bus dead still before he hit me, but still the weight of his head hitting the windscreen broke my windscreen, so I hate to think what might have happened to his head if he hadn't been wearing that helmet. Now I do hope that I'll never be stupid enough to ride as recklessly as he was that day, but I can be pretty stupid at times, so I wouldn't count on it. All in all, best plan, get a helmet. I'm at the bottom of the hill again. Speed of the local boys coming the other way, I'll tell you that. And the bottom of the hill only means one thing. Wait for it. Onwards and upwards. My slightly out of line gears that are making that clicking noise, not my bones, okay? Just so you know. Whew. Right, time to make a bit of pace. Now this little lane follows a bit of a lowland track just inside a ridge line of hills there that separate me from the vast expanse of the Fleet inland waterway. I will be taking my paddleboard up that waterway when weather gets a bit warmer. I'm filming it for your viewing pleasure. Right. On a final push now, really. What are you looking at? Laughing at me, probably. And down. Abbotsbury is such a busy town in the summer. Not so much in January. It's the moment of truth. The hill of all hills. There's a breakdown truck at the top there by the looks of it. I might be needing that soon. I did say I was ending the ride at the subtropical gardens, didn't I? Along that nice flat road, not the big hill. No, I didn't, did I? Oh well, here goes. Summit or nothing. Hold on. It's the wrong channel. Onwards and up. Oh, I did have one more gear to go down. That makes all the difference. An absolute breeze now. I wish there was a breeze behind me. Oh well, coming down's going to be fun. Well, I've made it as far as I'm going today. I haven't gone right to the top of the hill, but this will do me. I've got a nice viewpoint over the Fleet and St Catherine's Chapel there from the other side to what you saw before. I've still got to cycle home, as you know, which is back to Weymouth. That's another 10 miles. I'll let you know whether I get there or not before I finish the film, but other than that, if you like what you've seen, then you know what to do. Hit the old subscribe button. My channel's got plenty of coastal stuff on it. It's all about the coast, really. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and see you again soon on the next one.